This is the Above Tech iPad stand. I've used it for many years and it's been really reliable. I have some tips and tricks for you to make it work better. You can position your iPad at eye level so you can look straight ahead. This is much better ergonomically, especially if you want to use it for a long time. I really enjoy these bars. I have a hole in it and it has two tones. It's white on the outside and it has this silver ring in the center. It's easy to assemble this holder in the wrong orientation. If you do it like this, you cannot tilt your iPad back to a certain degree. Twist it so that you see this little notch over here. And now if you tilt your iPad back, you can go all the way back. To keep it from coming loose after a few swings, you'll have to use Loctite on this screw right here. The bottom tensioning screw is not as critical. You can just tighten it. You can feed a wire through this channel to make things more tidy. Then the cable will just run underneath over there. There's rubber on each side to protect your iPad and a hole for the charger port. This little gear thing holds it in place. Just align it and then twist the back cap on. Minimum grip is 4.5 inches. Maximum is about 7 3/4 inches. Normally I just hook it on the bottom, pull up on the top, and then close it like that. There's no wrench holes on the other side, only on the right side here. It's pretty hefty, so it's stable when you put it on your desk. Thanks for watching. Until next time.